A few people are asking, where's the proof? Where's the genetic connection between the lost tribes and Britain? Well, let's talk about genetics, because even though it's small, there is something. Genetic studies from Wikipedia and family tree DNA projects have shown that haplogroups J1 and J2, both associated with Semitic populations, including the ancient Israelites, are present in Britain and Scotland, albeit at low frequencies. Typically under 1 to 2%, these lineages have been detected in parts of southern England and coastal regions of Scotland. This rarity does not disprove their significance. Rather, it represents the sheer antiquity of their arrival. Genetic markers dissipate and dilute over millennia, especially when small founding populations are absorbed into much larger native populations. There are several plausible avenues by which these haplogroups entered the British gene pool. Phoenician traders, Roman soldiers and settlers, Jewish diaspora movements, and returning crusaders all had contact with Semitic populations and may have carried J1 or J2 lineages into the Isles. One Gnostic Christian theory suggests that seafaring groups like the tribe of Dan, often associated with maritime travel and linked to both the Eastern Mediterranean and Ireland, may have introduced these lineages during the Bronze Age. The Crusades added to this genetic pool as European knights spent years in the Levant and returned, sometimes with Eastern wives or offspring. While small in number, the presence of J1 and J2 haplogroups correlates with the symbolic, heraldic, and historical case for Israelite ancestry in Britain. By the time Norman rule was established, numerous noble houses were thought to have borne tribal blood, primarily of Judah, Dan, and Ephraim, though the fact may not have been consciously preserved. The Normans themselves may have inherited this lineage through maternal lines or intermarriage. The reappearance of symbols like the lion in royal and noble heraldry, especially the lion rampant of Scotland, is therefore not just as a feudal emblem, but as a resurfacing of ancient tribal memory.